In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use eSignatures for freelance proposals, making it easier to close deals faster and get your work started without any paperwork delays. I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow, and by the end, you'll know how to create, sign, and send proposals with an eSignature in just minutes. If you're a freelancer, you know how important it is to send contracts and proposals that are legally binding and quick to execute. The good news is that using eSignatures for freelance proposals is simple and can be done with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to choose an eSignature platform. There are a lot of options out there, but the software we'll be using today is one of the best. It's simple, secure, and easy to integrate with your existing systems. If you're interested in following along, I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description below just for viewers of my channel, but don't worry, we'll go step by step together. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is upload your proposal to the software. You can do this by either uploading a PDF, Word doc, or even creating a new proposal directly in the software. Once your document is uploaded, you'll want to make sure it's formatted correctly. Things like making sure your signature line is clearly marked. Next, it's time to add your signature fields. This software makes this part super easy. You'll simply drag and drop where you want the other party to sign, initial, or add any other details. You can even add a date field and any additional custom fields that need to be filled out. Once you've added all the necessary fields, it's time to sign your own proposal. You can do this digitally, and it's incredibly easy to do. Just draw your signature or type it in. The software even gives you the option to use a saved signature for convenience. Now that your proposal is ready, you'll send it out for the other party to sign. The software will notify them when they've received it and let them know exactly what to do. They can sign directly on their device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop. This keeps things fast, efficient, and most importantly, secure. Once the other party signs, you'll get a notification and you'll have an officially signed proposal in just a few clicks. It's legally binding and both parties get a copy of the signed document. This makes it much easier to manage your freelance contracts and proposals without any back and forth. The key takeaway here is that using eSignatures for freelance proposals saves you time and helps you close deals faster. No more printing, scanning, or chasing clients for a signature. Everything is digital and it's secure. Just to quickly recap, here's what we've covered. 1. Choose your eSignature platform and upload your proposal. 2. Add signature fields, including date and any custom fields. 3. Sign the document yourself, then send it off for the other party to sign. 4. Once signed, you'll get a legally binding proposal in no time. And remember, if you want to follow along with the software we used today, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Don't miss out on this time-saving tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take action today.